Well, hello friends, we've made it into Waldport. Is that how you say that? Well, friends, welcome to Waldport. Pretty sure that's how you say that, Waldport? We're going to Waldport. Now, Waldport, that's how you say that. Might not have much, but what it does have is right behind me, if you'll see that. That little place right there has the best caramel corn you are going to find on the West Coast. Let's go take a look. No joke, this is the best place to get caramel corn. I promise you. And if you can trust anybody, you can trust a puppet. Best darn caramel corn you're gonna find on the West Coast. Come see the caramel dude. Go in there, grab yourself some yummies. Stop by, see the caramel dude. Yeah! I swear, it's good.